Hello friends, wishing you a very happy Deepa Puja. From morning I'm seeing a lot of messages floating around on the mobile, talking about the significance of today's day. And to my surprise, the significance was only coming in the form of eating food, having parties, and having a very specific word for today's day. But today I am here to tell you that let us not recognize our festivals, our rituals and traditions by a small thing which is started sometime somewhere, and then it just becomes big because the message is given in a very wrong way, or conveyed in a wrong way. What happens is these messages go to the next generation in the same form, and that is what is not right when it comes to our culture. So understanding the significance of today's day, so today is the last day of the month of Ashad according to the lunar calendar. Okay, so today is very specifically the Amavasya. Okay, now when we say that it is Ashadi Amavasya, people just remember one thing, that today is the last day to eat non-veg for people who are going to start their Shravan month from tomorrow, and so it's a party time, it's a gala time. Yes, to some extent, it is. I will say it is a party time because next 30 days for the people who consume non-veg food. Okay, there is a restriction on the diet. They can't consume non-veg. So obviously, to compensate that, it's a small celebration where we have all types of non-veg food. A day before. But more than that, I'm going to tell you that there is a small ritual also which happens, and it has a great significance, and that is called the Deepa Puja. Now, what is Deepa Puja? So, as I mentioned, Deep is light, nothing but lights, and when it comes to light, I don't have to tell you that it is something which takes you, takes away darkness away from you. So light is something which should be always looked upon as a positive thing, and that is exactly what the festival is all about. Because a very beautiful month, the Shravan month, is going to start when you get very different types of vegetables. There are a lot of festivals which come in Shravan, right from your Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi Purnima, Ganpati festival. So this month has a great significance, the Shravan month. And today being the last day, and from tomorrow the Shravan starting, today all the diyas in the house, the lights in the house, that is the lights which are put by using oil, okay, so oil lamps, okay, are lit today, Basically they are removed, they are washed, properly. They are offered flowers, they are offered sweets, and they are being lit. So you can see a picture here just now. This is the puja done in my house today. Even the other electronic lights, which you have in the house, they are to be put on today, and that is how we pay respect. Now, why do we do this Deepa Puja, and why today's day has so much significance of it? Logically, if you ask me, as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of festivals which come in the Shravan month, and every festival needs this oil lamp which burns in front of the deity, okay, whom you are worshipping, and it goes for all the 24 hours, the oil lamp. So, we remove this oil lamp, they are to be washed, they are to be maintained in a certain format, So today being that day, all these protocols are followed. So another thing which I will tell you about this Deepa Puja is that because light has such a great significance in our life, that even if you see that there are many ceremonies, there are many occasions on the stage, where the inauguration starts by, lighting a lamp, you have seen that whenever there is a puja happening, it's the aarti which we do, which has the light in it, we call it the Niranjan, okay. So light plays a extremely significant role, and so this day is dedicated to these lights, and that's why the Deepa Puja. So in many places in the country, this is also called as Divri Amavasya, or it is called Deepa Amavasya, So Deepa Amavasya means it is today's day when all the lights are worshipped. Now this is the message which basically I wanted to give across to the audience and to the next generation, that yes, there are celebrations, there are a lot of food things which are happening around this day, but instead of focusing on the party part of it, you should also understand that there are these rituals which carry a lot of significance. Now also, according to the Indian culture and tradition, the small children in the house today, even the girl child and the boy, okay, who are the one who are going to carry the generation forward, are worshipped today, because there is a very simple thing which we say, that they are the people who take the vansh ahead, Vansh is nothing but your next generation going ahead. So we say Vanshacha Diva. So today girls and boys are treated equally. So we, the smallest, youngest member in the families are worshipped today. That is another significance. There is one more significance which many of them follow, is that all your ancestors, who have passed away, they are remembered today. A tribute is paid to them through this Deepa Puja. So friends, I feel that you should try and understand the inner essence of every day which is celebrated, and not just get into the superficial information and keep passing it on like a message. So I am going to share my video, my message today of the Deepa Puja, and I'm sure if you like this video, and it was a very crispy thing which I wanted to share with all of you, so kindly share this video too. And I'm sharing the puja images of my house. So wishing you a very, very happy Deepa Puja, and from tomorrow onwards the most enjoyable month, that is the Shravan month, starts. So good wishes to all of you for the Shravan month as well. Thank you.